CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.1 Explain fundamental security concepts and frameworks. Accounting. At its core, accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and analyzing financial transactions, ensuring that records of individual financial transactions are accurate and up-to-date. This meticulous process has been the backbone of businesses for centuries, helping them understand their financial health and make informed decisions. But in the rapidly evolving world of IT security, accounting takes on an additional meaning. Here, it doesn't just deal with dollars and cents. It refers to the tracking of user activity and system events. Just as financial accounting keeps track of money, IT accounting keeps track of data and user actions, and answers the pivotal question, what did you do? One of the primary tools used in IT accounting are logs. Think of logs as the digital footprints left behind in a system. These footprints, or logs, are records that provide a chronological account of events in a system. They can track a wide range of activities, from user logins, file accesses, to even the smallest system errors and security breaches. The importance of logs cannot be overstated. They are the silent guardians of the digital world. They assist system administrators in diagnosing problems, almost like a doctor referring to a patient's history. They provide a clear, traceable trail for auditors to ensure compliance with digital policies. And perhaps most importantly, they can be instrumental in detecting unauthorized or potentially malicious activity. By answering the questions of who, what, when, and where, logs provide a comprehensive view of system activities. Building on that idea of where, another vital component of IT accounting is location tracking. Modern devices and applications often include location services that can pinpoint where a device, or the person using it, is located. This kind of data is typically gathered through GPS, Wi-Fi signals, IP address mapping, or even Bluetooth beacons. Location tracking serves many purposes. It can enhance user experiences by delivering location-based services or content. For system administrators, it can help identify suspicious behavior, like a login attempt from a different country that doesn't match a user's normal pattern. In enterprise settings, it can be used to enforce policies, for example, restricting access to sensitive systems based on physical location. While location tracking can raise privacy concerns, when used responsibly, it becomes another powerful tool for accountability, security, and system integrity. That brings us to web browser history. Let's take a moment to think about this familiar feature. Your browser history not only lets you revisit previously accessed sites, it also serves as a detailed record of your online journey. For individual users, it's helpful for remembering where you've been. But for organizations, monitoring browser activity plays a much larger role. It helps ensure employees adhere to company policies. It helps block access to malicious or inappropriate sites. And in the context of cybersecurity, web history can become a crucial clue when piecing together how an attack may have started. Like logs and location data, browser history contributes to the bigger picture of user activity. Now, it's easy to perceive IT accounting as a form of digital surveillance, and to some extent, that's a fair concern. But it's important to view it through a wider lens. IT accounting isn't just about monitoring. It's about building a secure, transparent, and accountable environment where people, data, and systems are protected. It helps ensure that everyone is playing by the rules, and that the integrity of the digital space is preserved. In a world where trust is often hard to come by, IT accounting helps earn it, one log, one location, and one browser click at a time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.